I want to quickly talk to you about Spocket Pricing Plans. I mean, Spocket is a great dropshipping app, and it's really important to choose the right plan. Otherwise, you just throwing money out of the window. It's one of those things where you have to be really careful. So, into this conversation, I really want to go deep. I want to go granular when it comes to Spocket Pricing Plans. I'll give you everything you need to really understand so that you can make the right choice in terms of Spocket. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. So first, I want to quickly go back to the origins. If you were to ask me for a few seconds. So what is Spocket? So Spocket is really a platform created to help you discover dropshipping suppliers, right? So basically, instead of using a public marketplace like AliExpress to search for your dropshipping products, you can use Spocket to browse through verified suppliers offering many high quality products that you will not find, elsewhere. So now, why should you use Spocket? The thing here is that Spocket actually makes your life easier because as a dropshipper, you sell products that you don't have in stock, right? So once the customer places an order, you forward it to your dropshipping supplier, who then ships the product directly to your customer. Now, Spocket actually acts as a middleman, as an intermediary, to sort of facilitates the whole process. So they add value by actually vetting the suppliers at first, so that they're basically just making your job a lot easier. This is kind of cool. And we love that a lot. And by the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here, to have a quick convo with you today about Spocket Pricing Plans. The thing is that Spocket really adds value to your dropshipping business by doing a lot of things, by finding products to sell, finding products that you can sell to your dropshipping clients, by helping you upload your products or those products to your online store, buying products from your supplier to fulfill your customer's order, managing your product stock levels to ensure you're not offering products that are sold out, updating the tracking numbers and order statuses for your orders. This is kind of cool. And all these things are automated. You're not wasting time. You're not doing anything manually. They're doing it automatically. And Spocket really helps you out in terms of sourcing EU and US suppliers and significantly reduce your shipping times. Because if you are sourcing from US and EU suppliers, this is kind of cool. You don't have to wait for 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 weeks to have your items delivered to your clients. So this is kind of cool. So Spocket, fantastic. I mean, you have other players in the industry. You have Deezers, you have Adobe, you have but Spocket is kind of cool. So here's a winner for you. I want you to look right now on the screen, boss. I want you to look on the screen right now. Let's just pay attention for a few seconds here. So here are the pricing plans, the tiers of Spockets as of the date of this show. I mean, you probably might be watching this show 1 year from now, 10 years from now, 1 century from now, or 1 month from now, or 1 week from now. What I'm trying to say here is that those numbers that you're seeing right now might change by the time you watch the show. But the most important thing is that the rationale I'm going to explain to you will still be the same, because Spocket has been using the same pricing model for the last few years, and we've been actually investigating them. So we've seen some constant patterns. Okay, so I want you to look right now on the screen. So on the screen, what do you have? You have Spocket have what? 5 pricing plans. You have the free plan, you have the starter, the pro, the empire, and I want you to look right now on the next screenshot. So this is the unicorn. So five pricing plans. Let's start over. So you have the free plan, the starter, the pro, the empire. Don't worry, I'll explain every single plan, what it stands for, what the benefits you have, okay? And also you have the Spocket unicorn. So the unicorn is actually the top of the top, okay? This is like, if you are on top of your game, this is kind of cool. But I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about Spocket pricing plans, and I'm explaining everything to you, everything you need to understand. So the big question is, what is the best Spocket pricing plan for you, right? So I just want to say that you have 5 plans. You have the free plan, starter plan, pro plan, empire plan, and unicorn plan. Now, you want to use this plan if you like to unlock the supplier sourcing, product request, and bulk checkout features. That's the unicorn plan. That's the one that's costing you $300. Okay. So as you have seen on the screen, Spocket prices go from all the $0 for the free plan all the way to the $300. Now the unicorn plan is really, like, as I said, if you are on top of your game and you're trying to really move on from a simple dropshipping plan to multiple dropshipping businesses, then you want to have the unicorn plan. Well, we have a couple of clients who are on the Unicorn plan and the Empire plan, and they tell us this is just fantastic. It's really worth it. Really, really worth it. Now let's really let me talk to you about the decision you have to make. I want to take every plan, every Spocket pricing plan, and really explain everything from A to Z for you. Let's start with the free plan. So basically, as the name says, this plan is free and shows a price of $0. The free plan is a great one for you to sign up if you are interested in browsing through Spocket's collection of products. Because it is free, you will be able to browse through Spocket's products without any risks. So you'll be able to decide if there is anything you would like to sell or if you're going to look further for a different supplier. And if you have any question, Spocket already offers the 24/7 customer support via chat for their free plan. You're not going to be able to call someone on the phone though, okay? And so this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say also is that Spocket's free plan allows you to see the AliExpress dropshipping feature. And so this includes the use of the Ali Scraper Chrome extension, which is an AliExpress product importer developed by Spocket. So you can download Ali Scraper for free and use it to import thousands of AliExpress products to your store. And Ali Scraper helps users to automate their dropshipping store by enabling them to process multiple orders in one click. You can manage all your orders and suppliers within one hub. You have the checkout in one click on Spocket without going to AliExpress. You can integrate with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Wix, and BigCommerce, and you can import looks reviews from AliExpress. So this is kind of cool. So this is for the free plan. Now let's move on to one plan higher. We have the starter plan. So the starter plan costs about like 20. I don't want to say prices here because by the time you're watching this show, it might just change. But we just going to show you again. We want to show you on the screen here the pricing plan so you can see. So this plan will cost you $24.99 per month as of the date of this show, and it's not available though in combination with the yearly pricing. No, you can only pay this on a monthly basis. And unlike the free plan, which you can only use to dropship AliExpress products, the starter plan allows you to dropship up to 25 unique products from Spocket's product catalog. And so this could be low, medium, or high ticket products coming from local suppliers in regions like the US or Europe. Additionally, to the free plan, you'll also get access to Spocket's email support, which can help solve more complicated issues or questions regarding the use of the Spocket platform. So, but this is kind of cool. Let's talk about the Pro plan. So if you're interested in the Pro plan, the thing is that the Pro plan is kind of cool, and the Pro plan increases the limit on unique products from 25 to 250. So this could come in handy if you are running a general store with, let's say, an extensive product catalog. Especially if you are, let's say, you have all kinds of product in your store, and you're also targeting several geographies and several target audiences. This is kind of cool. And what's really great is that you'll also be able to actually sell up to 25 premium products. And again, when we talk about premium products in the context of Spocket, we're speaking about a selection of high quality products in Spocket's catalog sourced from the best suppliers on the platform. And Spocket's premium products are selected based on being one of the best selling products in the catalog and being highly discounted. And this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say here is that Spocket's products are always discounted anywhere from 30 to 60%, and premium products are always at the highest end of this range. And this is cool. So the Pro plan also gives access to branded invoicing, which is an excellent feature to give your store a branded feel. I mean, think about it. I mean, you're doing drop shipping, but your customer doesn't know that. This is really good. So each package will include an invoice containing your contact email, phone number, logo, and a personalized note with branded invoicing. This is really good. And according to Spocket, the Pro plan is the most popular monthly pricing plan. And in our opinion, this could definitely be true. So this Spocket pricing plans actually provides a nice balance between costs and features. And because it really allows it for awesome features like being able to sell premium products and use branded invoicing. So this is really, really good. One thing I want to say here is that overall, the Pro plan is kind of cool if you are, let's say you have 2 to 3 years of drop shipping experience, and you're gradually scaling your store, and you're trying to really diversify the assortment of products that you have in your store. Okay, so the Pro plan gives you that unique ability, to get things done and really have a clear idea about the kind of products you're selling. So this is really cool. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Spocket pricing plans. This is actually an in-depth review, so this is kind of cool. So I spoke to you about the free plan already, the starter plan already, and the pro plan. Let's talk about the last two ones. So we have the Empire plan and the Unicorn plan. Let's first start with the Empire plan. So the Empire plan will cost you about $99 per month or $57 per month when billed annually. So compared to the Pro plan, the Empire plan increases the limit of unique products from 250 to 10,000 products. Can you imagine? 10,000. It also increases the limit of premium products from 25 to 10,000. This is really good. So the rest of the features are equal to the Pro plan, as it offers branded invoicing, 24/7 chat support, and AliExpress dropshipping. So to conclude, the only reason you should opt for the Empire plan is when you have scaled the product catalog on your store and need more than 250 unique or 225 premium products. Then you have the Unicorn plan. So the Unicorn plan is Spocket's most expensive pricing plan. And so this plan is only available when you choose annual billing and costs like crazy amount of money, okay? It costs like $299. As of the date of this show, it costs $299 per month. So like the Empire plan, it enables you to sell up to 10,000 unique and 10,000 premium products. It also offers 24/7 chat support and the AliExpress dropshipping feature. And new features that are not available on any other plan include supplier sourcing, product requests, which allow you to request products that are not already on Spocket, and bulk checkout, which enables you to check out multiple orders at once with one click. So this is really, really good. So when you think about bulk checkout on Spocket, this is really something that really helps a lot of advanced dropshippers though. So even though the Unicorn plan is Spocket's most expensive pricing plan, it could be worth it if you manage a store that is getting orders consistently. So we're speaking about you scaling like crazy. And the best features of this plan are the high limits of premium products, the product request feature, and the bulk checkout feature. With the product request feature, you can add sourcing requests for new products in your niche and keep innovating your store. Besides, the bulk checkout feature will help you save a lot of time on order processing. So overall, this is just a fantastic opportunity. I want to talk to you about the Spocket free trial. So the thing is that when we talk about Spocket free trial, I want to give you an overview of all possibilities here. So if you are dropshipping on a low budget, you might be wondering if you can use Spocket for free. And I have good news for you, because you can use Spocket for free forever if you sign up for Spocket's free plan, or temporarily if you make use of Spocket's 14-day free trial. I mean, sometimes they have the 14-day free trial, sometimes they don't have it. It really depends. Like they play those sort of promos in and out to see kind of to see what the market is responding to. Okay, and so Spocket's free plan does not allow you to dropship products from Spocket's product catalog. Still, it does give you the AliExpress dropshipping feature, which allows you to install AliScripper and use it as an automated AliExpress dropshipping tool. And this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say here is that Spocket offers a 14-day free trial on all plans. Like back in the days, like a few months ago, they used to actually allow the free trial on all plans except the Unicorn plan, but they have changed things recently. So they are also offering the 14-day free trial on the Unicorn plan. Okay, so long story short, the free trial is available on the free plan, the starter plan, the pro plan, the Empire plan, and the Unicorn plan. Not a problem. In terms of the free trial duration, it is unlimited on the free plan. On the starter plan is 14 days. Same thing for all the Pro and the Empire, the Unicorn. So one thing I want to say here is that, and this is something we love a lot, and this is something we want to say kudos to Spocket. The free trial can be activated without a credit card and can be canceled at any time. So just remember that you will have to pay the regular monthly or annual fee to keep the selected plan's features. Okay, so if you are interested, like if you really love some features, you might have to pay for it. But overall, it's one of those things you got to really, our best play for you, our best bet for you is to actually just go with the free plan for a while. And if you like the features, just go with the paid plan. Don't try to waste time, because see, the more time you spend in the free category, you're not really taking this drop shipping thing for real. You got to take it seriously so you can start making money. And you can only start making money if you think of it as a business and you're paying and you have expenses. Once you have operational expenses, you actually will have to be in business mode, right? And this will help you actually grow and scale your dropshipping business. Let me give you a bonus here. I want to talk to you about a few things when it comes to Spocket Pricing Plans. It's important to understand that if you want to update your payment details on Spocket, first of all, to pay for a Spocket paid plan, to pay for the paid pricing plans, the 4 plans that I speak to you about, you will need a valid credit card entered in your payment details on Spocket. And if you wish to update your credit card details in your Spocket account, just go to your Spocket account settings, okay? And so you can change also your currency on Spocket. So when browsing Spocket's product catalog, all prices will be displayed in US dollar. So once you add products to your import list, Spocket will convert the USD price to the currency of your online store. Therefore, if you want to change the converted currency, you'll have to change your store's currency through your e-commerce platform. And you can always cancel your Spocket subscription, not a problem. You can easily cancel or pause. But as a matter of fact, you can pause your Spocket subscription through the membership settings in the Spocket app. And there you can click the cancel membership button to cancel your Spocket subscription. Not a problem at all. And you can also find your invoices in the My Orders section in the Spocket app. You'll be able to find 2 types of invoices there. The branded invoices. So if you have a plan if you have a Pro plan, the Empire plan, and you have the Unicorn plan, you have the branded invoices. Those are sent to your customers, and the payment receipts, the invoice for the orders you have paid for. So this is kind of cool. And one thing I want to say also is that you can transfer your paid Spocket subscription to another dropshipping store, not a problem. So first, what you want to do is you want to cancel your existing plan. Then you can submit a request to Spocket to transfer your credit to a new store by sending an email to support@spocket.co. So this is kind of cool. And so you can also get a refund on Spocket pricing plans. So once you cancel your Spocket plans, and you can do so at any time, Spocket does not offer refunds for paid pricing plans. But the thing is, if you cancel your subscription, it will no longer auto renew, but you will have access until the end of your subscription period. But this is kind of cool. But the only thing is, they do not pay you a refund. Okay, and also you also can try to get a discount on Spocket pricing plans by paying yearly instead of monthly. So this can result in up to 8 months off compared to when paying monthly. So overall, this is just a fantastic opportunity, especially if you love a Spocket the app and you believe that it has a great resources for you. You should actually go for the annual plan. That way you save a lot of cash. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I want to quickly do a recap here. And in today's conversation, I spoke to you about the overview, the winner, the decision, the bonus, and the recap. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.